Linking your bank account to FourKites can streamline your financial transactions and enhance your experience with the platform. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Access your FourKites account. Log into your FourKites account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account management features. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link button to finalize the connection. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to FourKites and enjoy a more efficient experience on the platform.